Hey everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. I had so much fun with this piece. I remember interviewing Willowing Art on my channel for one of my lives when we did one of her pieces for an event, and it was so much fun. And I love elephants, I love sparkle, and I love Diamond Art Club. And so this is a post review that I did on this painting. And I'm telling you, it was a 5 out of 5 for me. The drills were exquisite. The sparkle was great. It had, I believe, 4 to 5 ABs with it, but I had to up the sparkle on this one. This glitz and glam elephant needed so much more in the headdress, in the toes, in the trunk, in the sky, the moon. It needed everything. And so Diamond Art Club and its artistry did a great job turning it to begin with. And so I just kind of upped the ante. Each night I came home from a really stressful day and I just had fun, relaxing, picking out some special drills, and enjoying the process. And so I want to flip the camera around and show you what I did to add jellies, to which are a combination of see-through and opaque together. If you think about like jellies used to wear in the 80s, that would turn your feet, your feet ended up looking like you were a giraffe. Remember those days? Metallics and pixie dust or fairy dust. I also did some, what else did I do? I did some quad cubes. I did some, there's these new bricks that Diamond Painting Drills has out. They take up 6 squares instead of 4. I did some slivers or bars in some areas. It was just so much fun. So I'm going to turn it around, show you what I did. I know a bunch of you have this one in your stash because when I posted pictures over on my Facebook group, Creative Craft Addiction, you guys said that you had it in your stash as well. I would love to see pictures of how you did, or pull it out and diamond paint and let me see what you guys come up with as well. So see you in just a minute. Okay, we have flipped the camera and look at this beautiful elephant from Diamond Art Club. And as you can see, this is a beautiful willowing art design. If you have been following my channel, you saw me do this on my Friday lives as I discovered where I wanted to bling it out and where I kept it as it was charted. So we're going to take a closer look as I give you a post review. First off, I want to let you know this was charted very well. You did get 4 special ABs in this, which allowed you plenty of glitter and sparkle, but I wanted to sparkle it a little bit more. So I'm going to use my little pointer here and I'm going to zoom. So what I did is down here, I did some subtle ABs. I'm going to get a little closer for you. I also used some quad cubes throughout the ears. I did some special ABs in the trunk and some fairy dust. I did sprinkle throughout the sky and throughout the moon, some ABs as well. And I did some fairy dust in the sky. I did some metallics and some quads throughout the headspace. I did some jellies throughout the yellow in the face and the nose. And I did some ABs throughout this area as well, and some subtle ABs in this space. So I'm going to give you a little closer view. And you can see, here, let's get you a little closer up. You can see here, these are some of the pixie dust in this area. The ABs here. You can see here's the quad cubes from DP with Sparkles. And then here's some bars I did, which take up 6 spaces from Diamond Painting Drills, which I do have a link down below that you can use. Here's where I use some of the subtle ABs. You can see it charted very well with the design. This is definitely a good size piece for those starting out. I wish they sold the subtle ABs more, but the factory stopped making them. It's a 310 that doesn't have as a sequency look. Here I did a little bit more of the AB and the pixie dust. Let's look at the sky a little bit in the headdress. Whee! So in the sky, here's some of the ABs. Look at that sparkle, OMG. And some of the pixie dust and the fairy dust. I love how the moon, look how it was charted. I added a little ABs in there, but the chart of the swirl. With this, I did a tit for tat. So I just exchanged the same colors. I didn't switch out any of the actual colors. I just replaced the same AB color for what was actually charted. So the design chart was beautiful. I really liked being able to use the jelly here in the face. Again, I used the color 445 jelly when I switched it out. I think it gave it some good pizzazz in there, some depth. So I'm going to put down in the links exactly what I switched out so you can see. And you can do it yourself and figure out what you want to do. But this turned out amazing. And I know a lot of people have this in their stash. I would love to see how you designed yours. Do you do it the same? Do you bling it out? Let me know. What do you do with your cute little elephant snack? So until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.